name's Bhavna, reporting to you from Gary's Horses down on the Sapphire Coast. Just got back from the most amazing horse ride. It's an amazing experience. A lot of people, once they do it once, they do it just for the experience, to be like, oh no, you know, done it once just to say I've done it. It never stops there. You're going to want more and more. It's relaxing and exhilarating at the same time. Get down here.
Hi, I'm Michelle and I'm here at Gary's Horses in Amanzimtoti, Doonside, part of the Sapphire Coast. So we've just come from a beautiful beach ride. It was absolutely lovely there today. The sardines were out. We've got Cavalier here. He's our percheron and he does weddings and pulls the carriage. He's an absolute beautiful giant.
Sanibona, igama lami uJabulani, ukugibela amahashi, sithatha ama-visitor, siwasebhishi, senza imishado, senza ama-photoshoot, sifundisa iy'ngane.
I'm Gary from Gary's Horses. We offer beach horse riding. We do pony parties, children's lessons, weddings, and a whole range of products. We've been doing this for 24 years down at Sapphire Coast, close to Durban. If you're coming to Durban, please come and ride with us. We have safe horses. Our horses are asset. We do great beach rides. We do lessons. We do rural rides. We do weddings. We do engagements, and we do beach parties. And our horses are fantastic. And the people here in Durban are fantastic. So please come and ride with us. We've been here for 24 years and we offer this service to everybody all over the world.